Hi guys! On the red corner, the legend, the Nova. And on the blue corner, the revolution, the Titan. Today, we don't just compare specs. We go to war on speed, quality, and power. Let the showdown begin! Test A, pure speed. Engraving the complex Aztec calendar. The Nova Plus runs at 800 mm per second, but the Titan, we've unleashed it at 2000 mm per second. Look at that gantry fly. Time. Titan finishes in 3 minutes and 38 seconds. The Nova Plus crosses the line over a minute later. That's a 33% efficiency boost. Over a year, that's hundreds of hours saved. But speed means nothing without quality. In the Test B, we push the Nova Plus to its limit at 1200 mm per second, and the Titan to 2000 mm per second on a delicate laser. Listen to that intensity. Look closely. The Nova Plus shows slight bending. It's struggling to keep up. The Titan? Zero bending. Even at max speed, the edges are crisp. That's industrial stability. Test C. Stability. We slow it way down, 6 mm per second, on acrylic. This tests the motion system's smoothness. Any vibration here will ruin the edges. The proof is in the polish. The Nova Plus has slight vertical striations from micro vibrations. And the Titan? Look at that. It's flame polished, smooth as glass. The Nova is a legend. But if you need speed, absolute precision, and heavy-duty throughput, the Titan is the clear winner. Check the links below to find your perfect match. I'm Laurent. Unleash your power and don't forget to subscribe.